What's up, guys? Welcome back to a weapons unboxing. So if you haven't watched my first live stream, which I actually did the unboxing of this, but unfortunately I had oriented in a different wrong orientation, but now I know how to set up YouTube live stream, so be on the lookout for that. So this I purchased from AWMA website, Asian World of Martial Arts. Specialized in obviously martial arts weapons, self-defense weapons, sparring tools, gears, all kinds of stuff. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So here we have the Proforce Rattan Escrima 2 Tiger Escrima sticks, otherwise known as Cali sticks. The Filipino style martial arts uses Escrima sticks, and I think Bruce Lee even fought with them also. All right, so this is 26-inch long. So how you measure it is from your armpit to your middle finger. So if you measure that, see, that's about 24 inches. I meant, so 26 inches right there, okay? All right, so as you can see, this is a tiger, burned tiger colorway or design. They even have solid colors, all right? Rattan is a sturdy wood. It's Proforce right there, all right? Looking very nice, even say it's 26 inches, all right? And here we have the awesome modernized weapon, 3-section converter staff. Now you guys think about what that means. What is a 3-section converter staff? So it's like a transformer type of weapon. Obviously, you see right here, we have a broken down 3-section staff. That's the famous Chinese weapon. Some of you guys say Japanese weapon. No, Chinese weapon came first, man. We got a long history, all right? So this is made of aluminum, okay? So it's hollowed aluminum, all right? So I'm gonna convert it from a 3-section staff to a 6-foot aluminum staff right here. Okay, as you can see, it's held on by 6 chains with swivel on each end, kind of like a nunchuck. Speaking of nunchucks, hold on, let me go and put this on right there. Nunchucks right here. So I've been training pretty much every other day now. Started out every day, but now, got busy, get stuff. Training with nunchucks. I feel like I'm in the intermediate level, getting pretty good with these. And I've been also training with these. This is the 5-foot bow staff. All right, this is hardwood, all right? I've been also training with that, along with a tanfa. So I feel like it's time to take it up to the next level, and that's the 3-section staff. And I've always wanted to learn that ever since I was a kid, wowed by the Chinese Kung Fu movies, all right? Speaking of Kung Fu movies, I've been watching a lot of 70s movies lately, man, because I pretty much watch everything else. So you see very nice knurling right here, okay, also on the ends. So this jangles a bit if you use it. That's the only downside. So you give what you can take. So if you unscrew one end, you actually have a flail weapon, like a medieval, European type of flail weapon, or even some Japanese weapon. I don't think, maybe China have flail weapon, it's not popularized. So obviously when you unscrew the other end, you get 3-section staff, all right? See, right there. Each of these 3-section staff is about 24 inches long. I know what you guys are asking, how much do these weigh? Well, we'll see. Each Cali stick weighs 5.54 ounces. So you guys double that, you get under a pound for the 2 26-inch Cali sticks of rattan wood. Now for the 3-section staff, I expect it to be, I don't know, feels a little bit heavy. 3 pounds. We'll convert it to pounds. Oh, 2.3 pounds. So we have a 5-foot staff with a white wood. This is my new one, 3-section staff, because I want something more lightweight than the converter staff. So the converter staff, it's 82 inches. That turns out to be 6'10", so like an NBA basketball player, power forward. So here's what these Escrima sticks look like, or otherwise harness or belly sticks. Out of the plastic in its purest form. Here's the cross section. It has a little bit of smell to it. Kind of smells like, I don't know, explain it, kind of like a food or something like that. Like cocoa. All right, here's the double Sinawali form that I learned. All right, nice and slow. 6 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then repeat. A little bit faster. Here we go. Oh, messed up. That's basically it. I have to practice every day whenever I get a chance. And of course, for the 3-section staff, that's going to take a lot more work before I even attempt to show a video. Got to be careful practicing, make sure I don't injure myself. That's all in the martial arts learning. So stay tuned. Till next time.